Hello friends, today I am going to explain the effect of back pressure on a mass flow rate. What is back pressure? The back pressure is the pressure in the exhaust region outside the nozzle. So here I am consider a converging nozzle. You can see here I am consider here a reservoir where pressure is P naught, temperature T naught and density rho naught at the entering point of the converging nozzle. And here is exit point pressure P at exit pressure and P is our back pressure, and here is V or is 0 because it's a stagnation point. So I am going to draw plot between pressure distribution in a converging nozzle. So first case, at the first point I am consider PB is equal to P naught. That means stagnation pressure is equal to back pressure. That means you can say that here is no flow because pressure are changed from here to here. There is no pressure change. That means flow are no possible because pressure of both side and every point is same. But in case of point 2 and 3, at point 2 and 3, P2 is less than, sorry, greater than P star. That means at exit pressure, P star is nothing but here exit pressure is increased, and that case mass flow rate of a gas through a nozzle. That means flow is possible. So that velocity is called subsonic velocity throughout the nozzle. So another point 4 here, at point 4 the back pressure is reduced. P4 is equal to P4. That means P star is equal to P4. The mass flow rate reach maximum. At that point mass flow rate reach maximum. The Mach number reach unity. Where the mass flow rate reach maximum, at that condition Mach number reach unity, and it cannot be increased further the converging section. Then P star is called critical pressure, and that P star is called critical pressure because after that, after you are going to below, there is no change in pressure. So this is called is critical pressure. And at point 5 here below the P4, so P4 is a back pressure is further reduced. The value P4 is less than P naught. The exit velocity of a nozzle remains same. That means no change of the velocity, or neither the mass flow rate and nor pressure variation in the nozzle is affected. The nozzle is said to be choke. That means there is there is both pressure are same. There is no change in the pressure. So that point is called choke. So here I am also a draw plot between mass flow rate versus back pressure. So at at point 1 there is no mass flow rate. This means mass flow rate here is 0. At that point back pressure is equal to stagnation pressure, meaning PB is equal to P naught, and where P star by P naught is decreased but mass flow rate increase at point 2 and point 3. But at this region 4 where is P star is equal to P4, and that region mass flow rate is constant because at that, after that point, at point 5 to 6 mass flow rate is constant, where is decrease PB. So here I am draw all the diagram, and another plot I am draw exit pressure versus back pressure. So at point P1, sorry, point 1, here is the exit pressure is equal to P naught. That means P is equal to PB, and PB is equal to P naught. All pressure are same. There is no flow at that condition. And at here you can see here at that point is P star by P naught is equal to P star by P naught. So here is P star is equal to P4. That means back pressure is equal to P star. So that point is reach the maximum velocity of the nozzle. So that point is called a sonic velocity, and that point is Mach number is rise 1. and after that this point is reduce the back pressure, then is flow is remains constant. That means pressure remains constant at that point. Okay, thank you.